Those who seek to destroy the Constitution shall be tried for treason. Their gold and riches given back to the victims. For this reason, they need to restore and pay what they've done, not pardon and let go because there's some water shows one. Therefore, this Constitution, the Restoration Act, shall keep the Constitution intact, for the Constitution is under attack. The Constitution shall be restored and shall be upheld. Our nation's basic rights and liberties to free patriots, plotters have shelled. The slaves of world corporations shall also be free, and no longer be enslaved for world corporate greed. This Constitution, Restoration Act, shall preserve the Constitution now under attack, for the Constitution needs to remain intact. This shall not become part of any type of alternative duty. It shall not become part of any world government with world taxes due. The solution to world crisis shall not come from world taxes and fines. Real solutions worked on, not suppressed by those who decline to work to bring about real solutions to world pollutions through alternate forms of energy like the sun's rays. What's for free that no one should have to pay for the sun's rays? Safer, natural sources of clean energy shall not be monopolized by government agencies. Each solution shall bring about a real solution, not another crisis in disguise. Another world tax the people despise. Shall be free from tyranny. The U.S. Constitution restored to its originality. The intent of our founding forefathers shall be realized, that they didn't want their children's children enslaved by evil powers on the rise. The Constitution Restoration Act shall bring U.S. back from the world order's plots to destroy it, for it's now under attack. The people of the world and nations shall be woke up to this fact, that the plotters have been busy chipping away the Constitution, almost no longer intact. There shall no longer be presented to people the choices between the lesser of the two evils. For every plot to destroy the Constitution shall come to naught. Every plotter against the world and America's people's freedom shall be sought. They shall be brought to justice for the havoc they have wrought. They shall be made to repay back the taxes and wealth they have sought. They shall be exposed and political puppets they have bought. They shall pay for the victims' families who have fought under false patriotisms and world corporate interests. Their sons and daughters were forced to die for under the Constitutional Restoration Act, the real terrorists shall have power home. The globalism sought for shall not infringe on our rights. The world corporates built up in the name of free trade shall not get us into global war fight, where world corporations can then fuel, supply, cause people to die on both sides, where the globalists can claim solutions and world governments that no longer hide. They always create or take advantage of one crisis after another to multiply media, seduce us to go to war against our sisters and brothers. We are all part of the larger human family and shouldn't be seduced to die in so-called wars against poverty, or so-called wars on drugs when other harmful products like tobacco kills. But because the tobacco companies has political powers to lobby bills, as to oil cartels and other world corporations that help create or are part of the making of legislations that protect their interests and suppress investigations into their health hazard products that they sell, while those who sell drugs have to go to jail. The Constitution Restoration Act shall make the government more consistent too, and not protect and ignore the deaths and pollutions caused by world corporations, not a few. Government seats that have been bought up by corporations that continue to ignore all the victims' deaths and sufferings that are brought to their door by those who seek restitution and be compensated, but aren't, because the world corporations control what is legislated. Thus, if the government goes after those who deal drugs to be consistent, they should also go after tobacco and others, and not protect corporate thugs. Taxes shall not be used to bail out corporate greed and mismanagement. Taxes are to help the people's basic survival needs more than the government. The lazy people of the nation shall no longer be supported. Everyone who seeks freedom once they behave shall no longer be deported. Everyone should repent of their evil ways too, so that God will help us get back our freedoms anew. Will the corporations that make defective and harmful products shall pay for their messes? Will the corporations that make defective and harmful products shall be the ones to pay for their mess? Be paid, restore, and compensate the victims for their distress. Weapons manufacturers shall have to use their corporate gains to rebuild the nations that their products caused havoc upon. Pay for their pains. For U.S. taxpayers shall not be made to pay for any crimes of those who have gone astray. If prisoners shall be taken care of medically, then those poor who work hard shall get it for free. Human repair shall be our main concern. Protective education for all to learn about the dangers of products and cigs that burn. The tobacco companies shall have to pay for all medical bills their products bring. The taxpayers shouldn't have to pay for anything.